All right, so for problem, you guys settle down. For problem number 29, it says a projectile is fired on level ground with an initial velocity of 48 meters per second, and it's in the air for 8.9 seconds. So here's the thing on this one. I've got a projectile. It's shot at a velocity of 4.8, or I'm sorry, 48.9 meters per second. The angle of elevation right here, from here to here, theta is equal to, I don't know. The path that it travels is parabolic in shape, right? It's going to land over here on level ground. And the total time that it takes to go from here to here, remember this is delta x, okay? And the question is, we want to know what is the initial velocity in the x direction, okay? All right. So this one is an interesting one. Remember that my velocity is, we could break it down into the velocity in the x direction and the velocity in the y direction. Okay? Yes?
Don't we use time equals to 2 times dy naught over g?
Oh, yeah. Thank you. I forgot to write down the time. I was going to get to it. And that would be 8.9 seconds. Okay? And then, yeah, I think that it's the same equation, except it's with the y values, right?
Yeah.
So, but one of the, so this is an interesting one. With the y's, it's y equals y naught plus vy initial times t plus 1/2 times the acceleration times the time again. What's the acceleration in free fall?
9.8.
Yeah. In the negative direction, right? 9.8 meters per second. All right. What is my, and we're going to think of the whole system. What is the y, what is my initial height? Just before it takes off. Yeah, it's 0 meters. Now, it travels through the air at 8.9 seconds. Now, this really only works because there's symmetry and it's on level ground. But what is my final y position? Over here. Isn't that 0 meters too?
Yeah.
So I know y, I know y naught. I don't know vy naught. I know t. I know accelerate. I know everything but this. So I could solve. So I have 0 meters is equal to 0 meters plus vy naught times the time. What's the time? 8.9 seconds. Plus, dang it, my smart notebook doesn't work, so I have to use PowerPoint. Plus 1/2 times negative 9.8. And then over here on the side, I'm going to have 8.9 squared. Sorry that looks so janky, but it'll clean up nicely. So then I'm going to have 0 equals 8.9 v naught, vy naught, and then this, let's do this on the calculator. I'm going to say 0.5 times negative 9.8 times 8.9 squared. And that is negative 388. I forgot what it was already. 129.
Mr. Addo,
What?
the Y value should be 43.61.
I know. Just wait patiently, and we'll find out if it is. So what do I do next then? Tell me what I do next. Do I add this to both sides to solve?
Yeah.
Okay.
Pretty unsure there.
So then I got 388.129 is equal to 8.9 V naught. What do I do next?
Divide by 8.9.
All right. All right. This is the moment of truth. What did you think it was? All right. Let's see. This divided by
He believes in you.
8.9. Oh, shoot. I did it wrong. Answer divided by 8.9. Oh, negative 43.6. All right. Well, for some reason it's negative because I didn't move it over to the other side. So it's not negative. It's 43.61. Hold on. So, but that is what?
The Y value.
That's the Y value. Right? That's 43.6. This value is 48.9, right? But we want V sub x. Oh, so yeah, this is a squared plus b squared equals c squared. So if I translate that, we're going to say that v naught squared is equal to vx naught squared. Oh, no. Did that erase the whole thing? Oh, this is very frustrating.
Yeah, this test is, I bet he's gonna, he always makes the test really, really unfair to our students.
Who? The practice test is really hard?
Yeah.
All right, I gotta draw that back in.
I hope he gives us answers on this test.
And then this was 48.9. Sorry about that. So we've got v naught squared is equal to vx naught squared plus vy naught squared. I'm going to take the square root to both sides, and I get v naught is equal to the square root of, oh no, we're solving for x, you guys. Yikes. I've been doing these all day, guys. Cut me some slack. All right, so I got to subtract this and move it over to the other side. So I'm going to say minus vy naught squared minus vy naught squared. And then I get v naught squared minus vy naught squared is equal to v sub x. That's what we're solving for. Now, the reason I did it that way, there's another problem identical to this one where I had to solve for vy. All right, so then over here, I get v sub x 0 is equal to the square root of v naught squared minus v sub y naught squared, or vx naught is equal to the square root of 48.9 squared minus 43.6 squared. Whew, this is a lot.
Don't give up, Anna. You're not going to give up on the test.
All right, here we go.
If you hear me crying.
48.9 squared minus 43.6 squared. Ta-da! 22. That is an option. I know, it's crazy.
Record and pause.
Mr. Adams, are you done
Bro,
recording?
it's only
Almost. Hold on a second. All right, cool. Just wait. Any questions?